Hi, welcome back to the channel, guys. I wanted to make a quick video today to discuss 5 breakout retest stocks on smaller timeframes. I usually make videos focusing on higher timeframes, but for this one, I wanted to cover daily timeframe setups. So we will be discussing 5 stocks that are very close to testing their breakout levels. Let's go through them one by one. The first stock on today's list is ticker FTDR on the daily time frame. All the stocks we discuss today will be on the daily time frame. This stock formed a resistance on 1st of May 2026 at a price of $70.01. You can see that it tried 2 times to break above this resistance, but it finally managed to break out on 16th of June 2026. It has been 36 days since the breakout happened, and currently the price has retraced back close to the breakout level. The current market price is $71.60, which is approximately 2.27% above the retest level. So when it comes back for a retest, keep this stock on your watch list and see whether the breakout level holds or not. Moving on to the next stock, ticker symbol PUBM. This stock also formed a major resistance on 1st of June 2026 at a price of $12.33.5. It then broke out on 26th of June 2026. It has been 26 days since the breakout, and the current market price is $12.56, which is approximately 1.82% above the retest level. So this one can also be on your radar for the next few days. The third stock is AGYS, and this is a very similar setup where we had a breakout followed by a pullback towards the breakout level. This stock formed a resistance on 19th of May 2026 at a price of $94.77. It broke out on 25th of June 2026, and it has been 27 days since the breakout. The current market price is $96.63, which is approximately 1.96% above the retest level. The fourth stock for today is Rare. This is a relatively good setup because it is much closer to retesting its breakout level. The stock formed a resistance on 11th of May 2026 at a price of $27.42. The breakout happened on 18th of June 2026. It has been 34 days since the breakout. After the breakout, the stock had a strong rally, and now it is retracing back towards the same level. The current market price is $28.04, which is approximately 2.266% above the retest level. Let's see whether the retest holds or not. And finally, the last stock on today's list is ticker symbol BU. This stock formed a resistance on 18th of December 2025 at a price of $29.24.1. It broke out on 26th of June 2026. It has been 26 days since the breakout, and the current market price is $30.13, which is approximately 3.04% above the retest level. So these are the 5 stocks I wanted to quickly share with you guys today during market hours. If any of these stocks come back to their breakout levels and successfully retest them, they could be interesting setups to keep an eye on. Now, before I wrap up the video, I'd like to go through a few examples of the breakout retest pattern. I think seeing real charts makes it much easier to understand how this pattern works and why I like it so much. The first one is ticker CRDO. You can see a very straightforward breakout retest pattern. The stock establishes a resistance, breaks above it, comes back to retest that level, and then simply explodes higher from there. Next is CVE. Again, a very similar structure. The stock picks up almost exactly from the breakout retest level and goes on to deliver a 139% move in a relatively short period of time. Then we have TSM. Once again, it's the same story. A breakout, a retest, and then a 94% move after the retest. Next is Apple. I think it's a stock that most of us know well and many probably own in our portfolios. Again, we see the same sequence: breakout, retest, and then a 140% move. Then we have AMAT, which gave a massive 260% move after the breakout retest. That's an incredible rally starting right from the breakout level. Next is VNO. The stock breaks out, comes back for its first retest, and then goes on to rally 190% in a relatively short amount of time. After that, we have NVX, again, breakout, breakout retest, and then a 55% move as shown on the chart. Then there's AGYS. The stock forms a resistance, breaks above it, comes back for the retest, and then rallies 66% in just 5 trading sessions after the retest. That's a remarkable move in such a short period. Now let's look at Bitcoin. The breakout retest pattern isn't limited to stocks. In my experience, it appears across many different markets because it's really driven by market psychology. When a breakout happens, it tells us that buyers have managed to overcome the selling pressure at that level. Then when the price revisits that same level, buyers often step in again because they've already shown interest there before. Unless something has fundamentally changed, that level can continue to act as support. You can see that in Bitcoin as well, where the breakout retest was followed by a 69% move in a fairly short amount of time. Finally, we have gold. Once again, we see a breakout followed by a retest and then a 10% move. Gold naturally doesn't move as much as many stocks is live, but the important point is that the price respected the breakout level before moving higher. So I wanted to show you all these examples simply to demonstrate how the breakout retest pattern works across different markets and why I find it to be such an interesting setup. So these are all the stocks I wanted to discuss for today. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.